Hey, Team Numis Canada. That's what I call my subscribers. Coin collectors, young and old, and anyone else that may be watching. Welcome to Numis Canada with Bruce. And you may recall that there was a package we skipped in the Royal Canadian Mint video, and I'll link it somewhere just up there in the corner. But this is the package that was skipped, and it is a Christmas gift for my sister. That's my sister Lori, and we'll get into it right after this. And we have the obligatory paperwork in the bottom. And again, it is folded so that it's not revealing any private information. I have a feeling they've been watching my videos. And unwrap this. And this is a Christmas gift for my sister. And I want to release this after she's opened it for Christmas. So this is the Nutcracker 1 ounce pure silver coin. And of course it is from Switzerland. And we'll open it because this coin is quite spectacular, and it PAMP. Okay. And let's open this. And there is this spectacular coin. Which is in the shape of a nutcracker, and it has a little hole in the top of not the coin, but the bezel that it is in, or the plastic case that it is in, so that it can be hung on the tree as an ornament. How cool is that? The Nutcracker Soldier. No other character is as central to the Nutcracker ballet as the colorful wooden Nutcracker itself. Carved in the likeness of a foot soldier by a gifted toy maker and godfather of Clara, the story's heroine, but as the young girl soon discovers, the Nutcracker is in fact a valiant prince of magical land of sweets. Indeed, at the midnight, and I will let you read the rest of that if you are interested. I just don't want this to be too terribly long. And it has the story of the Nutcracker inside. Very cool. And this is 4/9 fine silver, metal weight 1 ounce, reverse proof, maximum mintage 2,500 pieces. Encapsulated coin may be removed easily from the package. Okay, I won't do that because this is a gift for my sister. And I hope that she enjoys it because these are quite rare, and I'm very glad to have gotten it for her. And it's from Switzerland. Okay, I'm puzzled. Let me double check that. It says on here, 1 ounce silver produced in Switzerland, but I'm not sure that's who the country the coin is for. So I'm going to take my glasses off and read what it says. So it was crafted in Switzerland, but it is for the Solomon Islands. And it is $2, 1 ounce, Elizabeth II. And that's what it says on there. So this is for the Solomon Islands, which I'm sure does not have snow. And there's a snowflake on the coin. Very cute. I'm very pleased with that. Well, that's all we have for today. Thank you for watching. It's so great to have you here. I hope that you've enjoyed the holidays because this is coming out just after Christmas, but before New Year's. So wishing you all a amazing 2022. Hopefully it's the year we've all been waiting for. Happy New Year, everyone. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.